Bradley.
What?
Hey, Bradley.
What?
I got you.
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
Bradley.
What? Veggies.
And live together for an uncomfortable week. This is where I leave you. Your father had one final request, and we are going to honor it. He just wanted his kids to be so for the next